So, the pandemic emergency may have ended in the US, but there are millions of people who remain significantly impacted by COVID 19. Long COVID refers to any and all symptoms that do not resolve after a COVID 19 infection. And while there is a spectrum of severity to this disease, with some people like myself having a slightly more mild manifestation, being able to work part time, etc., many people with long COVID are facing dire financial and medical situations right now. There is currently no cure, there are no FDA approved treatments, and there are few supports for people living with long COVID. But there is a market rapidly developing to address this disease. I know because I'm one of several COVID long haulers, as we call ourselves, who have consulted for a host of apps, research institutions, and companies that are attempting to develop tools and treatments to fill this widening gap. I'm also a journalist and was one of the first people to write about long COVID in the New York Times when I first became sick and stayed sick in April 2020. And in the course of my journey reporting on and covering long COVID, I've connected with hundreds of others battling long COVID across the country, but also around the world. So this panel will bring together some of the greatest minds in long COVID advocacy, people who have been really fighting on the front lines of this movement since the first wave. We'll gain insights from health leaders who have backgrounds in HIV/AIDS activism and those who have been meeting with the White House, CDC, World Health Organization, NIH, and other agencies to address what is an increasingly global issue. So we're going to be seeking to answer a few questions here. First, how can employers best accommodate people with long COVID? This is a huge issue for the workforce. There have been a number of studies showing how this is impacting labor and will continue to. Second, what is the state of this growing long COVID market across technology and science and medicine? But third, what can we learn from HIV/AIDS activism as well as research and development? Because there are important lessons from the past that can help us navigate this situation better. And then lastly, what can we learn from the long COVID patient advocacy movement? This is a robust global movement that came together really quickly online. It's a largely digital movement. But as a result, a lot of marginalized populations have been left out. So we'll be talking about that as well. What are the current access barriers, etc.? I can tell you firsthand that long COVID affects every symptom, every system of the body, but it also impacts every part of your life, right? Your mental health, your relationships, and it really impacts everyone else in your life as well, from your family to your friends, to your coworkers, to your employers. So this is a collective issue that requires a collective solution, and we're here to get that conversation going.